Types of nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word used to identify people, places, things, or ideas. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things. For example, John, London, Coca-Cola. Okay. Common nouns. Common nouns are general names for people, places, or things. General names for people, places, and things. For example, cat, city, book. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns. Okay, they are words, they are nouns for things you can touch, see, hear, taste, or smell. For example, a table. You can smell a table. A dog. Okay, you can touch a dog. Or water. You can taste water. Okay, so concrete nouns are the ones you can perceive with your five senses. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. Nouns for things you cannot see or touch. Those are abstract nouns. Nouns for things you cannot see or touch. For example, love, happiness, knowledge. Okay? Next, nouns. Countable nouns. They are very easy. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted and have a singular and plural form. Okay, nouns that can be counted and have a singular and plural noun. For example, book, singular, books, plural. Okay, it might be dog, singular, dogs, plural. Okay, let's go on. Next nouns we have are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted and do not have a plural form. Okay? Nouns that cannot be counted and do not have a plural form. For example, water, information. Next, nouns. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns for groups or collection of people, animals, or things. For example, team, family, flock. Okay, let's go on with the next nouns and the last ones. Compound nouns. Okay, compound nouns are nouns formed by combining two or more words. Nouns formed by combining two or more words. Okay. Okay, my dear friends, well, so that's all what I show you, what I teach you today about nouns. Okay, if you want to watch another video, just click where the arrow points, and then we will see each other. See you next time. Have a great day.